Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download Google Sheet chart as a PDF document. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data, order ID column and total price. So first I'm going to create here the chart. To create chart, simply select your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab and click on the chart option. And here you see your chart is inserted in Google Sheet. With the chart editor and to tab the setup and customize. And here I'm going to download this chart as a PDF documents. So if you want to change the chart type, you can change here. Go to the setup tab in chart editor and here the first option chart tab. The selected chart is a pie chart. If you want to change, just click on this drop down arrow and here select the chart those you want. So I select here the bar chart. So I just click on this and here you can see your chart is converted in bar chart. Now here I'm going to download this chart as a PDF document. Just click on this three dot and click on the download chart option. Then select the second option PDF document. Just click on it and that's it. Here your chart is downloaded in PDF. Just double click on it to open this PDF and here you see the PDF is open with the chart. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.